Hey guys, this is Maria from TrueWaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use a freckles filter on Instagram stories. It is a simple Instagram face filter that puts freckles on your face. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Firstly, go to the Instagram Home tab, swipe right or click on your story in the top left corner of the screen. Once the camera window opens, go right on the circular menu bar until you find the Browse Effects option. Press on it, and the Effect Gallery opens. Hit the search icon in the upper right corner and type in the freckles phrase. Choose a freckles filter that you would like to use and tap to open it. After that, click on the Try It button and record a video or take a photo using this filter. Keep in mind that you can edit your story if you want. Once the story is ready, hit the Send To button and share your story. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use a freckles filter on Instagram stories. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at TrueWaySocial.com.